But he's a gift to the whole world, and we can't lose.
Yeah, he's a gift, all right.
Sisters.
Baby.
Sisters.
Look out. Look out.
Holy crap on a cracker.
Doom.
Sheridan? Why? We are communicating through the wall.
Yes, but the communication is not encrypted.
I don't know Morse code.
It's very simple. This is A. This is B. This is C.
Sheldon, I'm not going to learn Morse